Okay, all right. So last thing we were at is that we replaced the gasket on the thermostat. That didn't resolve the issue. It just got worse and started fucking spewing even more from somewhere else. But that's okay. Gasket was only like 10 bucks. So we're here at the water pump here, and for the life of me, I could not get these fucking 4 bolts off, because every time you go to, let me show you here, every time you go to, I'm gonna do this one-handed, every time you go to loosen one, like so, the whole wheel spins no matter what you do, right? Okay. I called several shops trying to get a water pump pulling tool, because it is fucking hard to get these things off, and nobody in Chico has one. So long story short, I had to think of a way to do it on my fucking own. See if I can get you guys a good seat. Perfect. Okay. So before I continue, make sure you grab yourself a fucking, not a dollar store. So you're gonna use a some kind of tool that's not like this but straight. Here's a real fucking champion. So you can grab one of these tools, and just like when you're doing the timing on one of these old setups, you could kind of shove your tool right there between the bolts, like so, and then so you can move it around the timing and stuff like that. And you can do it between any 3 bolts, like so, like so, like so, and like so. And that'll give you your grip. So I gotta position the bolt that because I already got the 3 of them off. I was just showing you guys the technique. Move it all the way back around top. I found is the best spot to crank it. Come on, there we go. So we're top. We're at the bolt we're working on is on the top. You're gonna shove the other one across the bottom like that. You're gonna hold this one downwards, and you're gonna crank this one loose. There we go. All right, that is it. So, fuck, and I called mechanics and nobody could fucking tell me what to fucking do. Here we are, old Matty doing it on his own. And I already loosened up the other ones, that's why they're coming off. I just wanted to show you because it took me literally an hour to figure out something to fucking do. Okay. Loosen our serpentine belts. Something also I couldn't find on the internet. So when you're serpentine, let me switch my nut out real quick. The serpentine is going to be a 5/8, I believe it is. Yep, 5/8. Make sure you're going to tighten, not loosen. There you go. So can you guys see that? Yep, you can see that. So on tighten, all you do is you push down. Look at that. There's your slack. You take your serpentine belt off. There's one of them. And then let's see if you can see the other one over here. There you go. There's another one. Same thing. Yep, you can see me. Same thing. Tighten, not loosen. Tighten, and it'll give you that slack. Damn, this thing's tight. There we go. There's the slack. Come on, get off there. There we go. You just need one of them to come off, and the rest is easy. There you go. Believe it or not, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm learning as I'm going. Damn, don't fuck up your belt, Matt. There we go. Okay. Second belt off. Oh, I already have a diagram over here of how my belt goes, but make sure you remember how the fuck your belt goes. Make sure you remember what goes where. Okay, here we go. Exciting. I fucking thought I was going to be stuck on this part for days because there was no pulling tool. And I need this fixed yesterday, so there's one. Make sure you do not lose your fucking bolts. Let's see if we can go faster. Last one, where are you standing here? Okay. I don't really care for any of the stuff that's on this at all because I'm replacing the whole pump, I believe. I guess I'll know when I get there. See what money buys me. Okay, there you go. There's the front bell. There's the bell. Now we gotta get to these fucking bolts. Okay. Oh, I forgot to take the hoses off though. That's gonna be a bitch. Oh, I can just pull it off afterwards. Okay. What are we working with here? Is this, what sizes are these? It's too big. So it's not a 5/8, it's a 13 millimeter maybe? Sure enough. Where's my last one? There it is. Come on, little guy. There we go. Okay. 13 millimeter. So I'm brand new to making these videos, guys. So if you have any pointers or recommendations on angles, talking more, talking less, explaining stuff that I don't really fucking know what I'm explaining, anything like that, comments you have something to add. This one's rough. That one's not wanting to come off. Okay, so get in there, Stuart. Get in the hole, Stuart. Oh damn, it smells burnt as fuck in there. Alright. Okay, I think that's loose enough to get it now. There's the fluid. Whoops, that is green as fuck. I think I forgot to drain the fluid, boys and girls. Oops. Fuck. Damn it. Shit. Shit suit. There she goes. Oops. Fuck. That's not good. Well, it's already happening. Nothing you can do about it now. Is there another fucking bolt in this thing? No, there's not. There's not another bolt in this thing. You already got it off, you might as well just fucking... Alright, okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we got it off. Fuck. Okay, where's my fucking tools? God, I'm a fucking idiot. Where is my fucking tool? There it is. Let's get these, see how fucking corroded these fucking hoses are on this bitch. Let's see if we can get you a good seat. Fucking salty slut. This is so hard to do with one hand. Okay. You fucking salty son of a biscuit. This thing is not coming off. How's it going? That's enough. Knock it off. Come off, you fucking piece of shit. Oh, half of it. Oh, it's half the battle. Whew. Fucking shit. Victory is fucking mine, dude. Fuck you, you stupid punk. I don't even know how long that got knocked over. Sorry, guys.